Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And just yesterday, I was making quite a few videos for somebody that needed some help cleaning up, taking out some white background. And I did a trick about making two hairlines on the outside of this thick line. And in the video, it worked because I'd pre-done something and I failed to add that in there. So he was a little bit confused, as he should be. So what I've done, I've taken a line and I've already gotten rid of that file. I just got a generic line that's 10 points. And I hit P on the keyboard and put it in the center of the page. I took an indexing line and I hit P on the keyboard. And that's kind of important because you want to know the distance in the middle of this. So just get your parallel dimension tool. And I'm going to zoom in here a little bit so we can see it. Parallel dimension tool. And I'm going to get right on the edge of that. And I'm going to draw to the edge of that. And we're like at 2.98 inches. Now I'm going to go to the outside and draw to the outside of this box. And I've got 3.28 inches. So we're going to take two circles, or a circle, holding down the control button, so we'll be make it a perfect circle. And we're going to make it 2.98 inches. And when I did that, I had my lock up here locked. So now just remember the other number, we need 3.28. We're just going to move this out of the way. And it changed that, but we don't really need these anymore. So let's put this in the center of the page. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. And now I'm going to make this 3.26 inches. And now I've got my hairlines around that box. I'd pre-done that, and I just kind of left out a step, so I apologize for that. But if you didn't watch the first videos, this is a way you could color fill segments of that line. Let me go back and put that on black. You could do segments of this line, and if you're a little bit confused, that's how I did it. Anyway, so I hope it answered his question, and thank you for watching.